My god, it smells so amazing. Oh, can't wait. So popcorn is such a huge thing here at Tokyo Disneyland that they actually sell these popcorn buckets. You can see one up there, that's a Dumbo themed popcorn bucket, but if you look around the park you actually see people carrying loads and loads of different ones. The place they sell the chocolate popcorn, which is right here, is here in Fantasyland, but if you go over to where the Winnie the Pooh ride is, it's just in Fantasyland, you can buy a Winnie the Pooh bucket. And this guy here, oh you just missed it, this guy here has a Stitch Santa's bucket, so it's a Stitch bucket with little Santa hats on it, and you basically pay to get your popcorn bucket refilled, and it's how much to refill? 520 yen, but you get a lot of popcorn. You carry it around the park with you and sort of nom it as you go. And we always get individual boxes though, because carrying the popcorn bucket seems like a bit of a hassle, but they are super cute. Look at this one. So amazing. There's actually an R2-D2 one which looks really cool, but I don't think they sell it anymore. Such a shame. Right, here we go. Chocolate popcorn. Eating it and filming is going to be interesting. I'm going to do this one. Oh, it's delicious. It's just as good as I remember. Actually, I'm going to walk over now to Toontown. There's a Toontown here in Tokyo Disneyland, and there's only one in the US in Disneyland in Anaheim. I think there was one in the Magic Kingdom once upon a time, but I think they got rid of it for New Fantasyland. People who actually know whether that's true or not can check me on that. But I actually just wanted to show you something which I didn't show you beforehand. When we were looking at the Queen of Hearts banquet hall, the restaurant, I forgot to show you the sort of maze model that they have on top of the restaurant. It's really cool, so you can see it from here. Have a look. There you go. It's kind of awesome, right? So the Queen of Hearts castle right at the back with an Alice maze in front of it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to eat this, walk over to Toontown in this lovely misty rain, and yeah, go on Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin, because amazingly it's only got a 15-minute queue. I'm gonna get this hair out of my eye as well. So here's Roger, and here is Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin, which is what we're going on right now. Sorry, it's really dark. The queue for this ride is so cool. It's mostly indoors, and they have all this stuff like set out everywhere. You know, the story of Roger Rabbit is like cartoons and movies, and me and my real action stuff. So they have all this kind of stuff like dotted around, and you can interact with some pieces of the queue as well. It's really cool. Looked like I got off a flight a few hours ago, which I did. I just remember something which is going to be really tough to do on this ride. There's, on every single one of the cars, there's this wheel in the middle which you sort of use to push yourself around a bit like you do in the teapots. And it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to do that by myself and film at the same time. I'm going to see how it goes, because of course I'm going to give it a try. Some things are easier coming to Disneyland by yourself, like making decisions are easier, then if you're not too sure what to do, that's harder. And like sometimes you actually need 2 people or more. Oh, hello Jessica. Ah! Right, so look, that's me trying to steer the film. Oh, it's a bull in a tarantula.
Danger! Warning! Warning!
See, my favorite bit is coming up. Guys, when you enter the room where you're falling, fall backwards. You get to feel the moon and stuff. Look, there you go. That is just terrifying. the top of my head. And an elephant. Ah, no! I don't want to get... Thanks, Roger. Wow, back with the rain. So that was amazing. It's a shame that they don't have the Roger Rabbit ride over in the Magic Kingdom because it's such a good ride. It's really, really amazing. So I'm going to do a little bit of a pan of, sorry, it's windy. I'm going to do a little bit of a pan of Toontown because it's so cool, especially in the area by Roger Rabbit. So cool. So you see you've got Roger Rabbit's fountain over here and Cartoon Spin is right there. And then over here they have the 5 and dime shop. It's a shop. So they sell like loads and loads of merchandise in there. It's pretty cool. And yeah, it looks pretty amazing here. All around here, loads of stuff you can interact with. See, this kid is gonna like pull this thing up in a minute and like fireworks are gonna sort of fake explode and stuff, which is really amazing. So we have a little bit of time until the parade starts and I'm looking forward to that a lot. But actually what we're gonna do first is, because it's past 12:40, we can go get our next fast pass, and I think I want a fast pass for Big Thunder Mountain. So you guys know I told you earlier that and we saw it as well, that the Small World ride is a perfect copy, or sort of a copy of the one that's in Disneyland in Anaheim in California, because it has that like big facade in front of it. And actually the Haunted Mansion here is a copy of one of another Haunted Mansion from one of the parks around the world, but it's not Disneyland in Anaheim, California. It is, yep, the one in Florida. And I must admit that I really actually do prefer this one. So first of all, we're going to come back here later, but you can see Jack is on top there because it's the Nightmare Before Christmas version here, and just on the top there you can see a bathtub where Lock, Stock and Barrel have been up to their crazy mischief as per normal. The facade of the Haunted Mansion in Magic Kingdom was pretty cool. It's kind of nice when you look out at the building over the water, because you can sort of see this like haunted, creepy looking building from afar, but you don't actually get a good view of it up close. Like if you get up close, well, maybe it's just when I was there because they had all the tarpaulin up and stuff, but if you get up close you're sort of very you sort of like approach it from the side, so you don't get that like big shock of the building, whilst you kind of get it there, which is pretty cool. I don't know, maybe I'm biased, but I really like what they've done with that one. It's menacing and yeah, it's cool. Oh, I am wondering with this rain whether they're going to bother with the Full Happiness is Here parade, which is fine because I've seen it already, but I kind of wanted to show you guys. Happiness is Here is a pretty fun parade. The floats are amazing, they're big. You saw what the Christmas one was like. It's of the same kind of caliber, and and the song is deliciously repetitive. Oh, anyway, look what hath appeared right in front of the... Oh yes, Big Thunder Mountain. Oh gosh, that was rather entertaining. I almost lost it. So this one's to come back at 2:45 to 3:45, and apparently after 2:45 I can get another fast pass. Whether any are going to be available then, I ain't too sure, but it's pretty good going actually. I will be able to be holding 3 fast passes at once from 2:45. I was going to go line up for the parade, but there isn't actually that many people lined up because it looks kind of wet and horrible. So I think what I'm going to do is have a look around the stores, show you guys some things there, and then we'll catch the parade as it begins in 25 minutes time. Loads of Toy Story-like attire here. I love about this time they start selling gloves and hats as well. Oh god, they actually feel really quite nice. Because, you know, people come to the parks and don't realise how cold it's going to be here. And so they come into stores like these and spend a lot of money. Oh my god, those are really cute hand warmers. Oh, I'm actually quite tempted. Parade started. I can see some of it. It's coming. It's going to be cool. Oh, look at Louie doing it, Louie. Oh, and Dumbo. is at the back. Oh my god, everyone loves Marie here in Japan. She's like a cult favorite here. Oh my god, why are they so cute? Hayaku! Needs to go faster. Oh, look, there he is. Toulouse at the back. I'm an alley cat too, Toulouse. I want to see horse carriage thing. Stitchy! Yay! That's amazing. It's a tricycle. That is so cool. Konnichiwa. One of my favorite floats is coming up. It's already starting good with the genie. Oh my god! Look at that skinny camel he's on. That camel needs to eat. Poor Abu. He never really wanted to be an elephant, did he? Oh, bless him! It's a very British looking Aladdin. Oh my gosh, it's Rapunzel. Oh look, she looks so cool. Seriously, how these princesses make ponchos look good. It's amazing, right? Hi, Rapunzel! Right, guys, are you ready for princesses? Because it is happening. Princess float is here. I love how Tink speaks Japanese. It's so cool. And Tink, you're in the side. Tink, yeah! Oh, there she is. Alice? Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my god. I love it. Look at that stripy dress she's wearing. It's so cute. Oh my god. Look at her little Mad Hatter dancers. Oh yes. Oh, and there he is. Mad Hatter. Oh, look at those giant shoes. Yeah, rocking those shoes. Oh my god, she's huge. That's crazy. Oh my god. This is 20 feet high. It's one big giant speaker. Oh, I think I know what's coming up next. Oh my god, I want to be a bee dancer! I love how that honey pours out. It's so cool. Oh yay, we got the Dale side. And Minnie, your bloomers are showing, dearie. Oh my god, look at
looks delicious.
God, look, if you're a BB-8 fan, this is crazy. There's loads of stuff here. Well, they've made it look like a Japanese Christmas cake. And then Stitch. Right, so this is it, guys. First fast pass. And we're off to the Runaway Mine Train.